Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the multi-comic trend edit in CapCut. So you've seen it all over TikTok and Reels, the super cool multi-comic trend edit where your face swaps into different comic book styles. So this is how the edit look like. So you can just input one photo and you'll get this comic video. And if you want to create one here, I'm going to show you the steps. So what you need to do is just open CapCut on your mobile. Then in here, you can just head into templates options in CapCut. Hit on template and you'll see the trending. You'll see this one, trend comic in here, or you can also just click on a search column at the top. If you don't find it on the FYP, you can just search for it. You can use multi comic as the keyword. Just hit on a search and you'll see lots of options. As you guys can see, this is a multi-comic trend, so you can just choose the one that you like. For example, I'm going to just use this one in here. So click on a template. So this is how it will look like. Click on use AI template. Then just input a photo. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this photos right here. Tap on next, and after that you can just wait, and within seconds CapCut will try to apply the AI effects to your photos. So it will be done in 10 seconds. So the process is really quick, so you can just wait until the result is out. You can also click on minimize if you want to see other templates or working on another project. Okay, so now the AI effect is applied to my photo and this will be the result. So this is a free template and you can just click on export at the top to save the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you love a good CapCut trend. Subscribe and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.